Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to download and install the Amazon application. For that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, tap on search bar and there you need to type in Amazon. Then tap on search. There's the application on top. Now tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. This process is for the Android users. If you are using a iOS device, you will need to open the App Store in your phone, and there on the App Store you can search for the Amazon application and download the app for your iOS device. The application is downloaded completely. Now if you tap on open, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Amazon application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.